Zscaler just dropped their Q1 fiscal 2026 earnings, and let me tell you, this cybersecurity giant is absolutely crushing it right now. We're talking about growth that's making Wall Street sit up and take notice, with some game-changing developments that could reshape the entire security landscape. If you're invested in cybersecurity, or just want to understand where this massive industry is headed, you need to stick around because I'm counting down the top 10 takeaways from this earnings call. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 10, we have Zscaler's Z-Flex program, which is turning into an absolute monster. This innovative program generated over $175 million in total contract value, growing more than 70% quarter-over-quarter. What makes Z-Flex so powerful is that it lets customers commit to spending with Zscaler while giving them the flexibility to swap or activate additional modules without going through lengthy procurement cycles. One aerospace customer increased their annual spend by over 40% through Z-Flex, adding 9 new modules in one go. This is reducing sales friction and driving bigger, longer-term deals. At number 9, CEO Jay Chaudhry highlighted a massive upcoming opportunity with SAP Rise. He compared the potential impact of SAP's cloud migration to the tailwind Zscaler experienced when Microsoft moved Exchange to Office 365 years ago. As enterprises migrate their SAP systems to the cloud, they can use Zscaler's Zero Trust Cloud instead of deploying expensive express routes, direct connects, and countless firewalls. One Fortune 500 healthcare customer signed an 8-figure deal specifically for this use case, calling it the most exciting solution they've seen in 15 years. Number 8 brings us to Data Security Everywhere, which hit approximately $450 million in ARR and is accelerating. Zscaler now offers 8 data security modules covering everything from data discovery and classification to posture management and data loss prevention. The company is winning against point solution vendors by offering a unified platform. A large healthcare provider chose Zscaler over a leading CSP vendor, purchasing 5 out of 8 data security modules for 23,000 users because of the integrated approach. At number 7, Zero Trust Branch continues to gain serious traction with over 450 customers now deployed. This solution eliminates the need for multiple legacy products at branches, factories, and campuses including firewalls, SD-WAN, and other point solutions. Jay mentioned that Zero Trust Branch needs almost no pipeline generation effort because customer demand is so strong. One Global 2000 manufacturing customer more than tripled their ARR by adopting Zero Trust Branch along with other modules. Number 6 addresses the competitive landscape, which remains remarkably stable in Zscaler's favor. Despite new entrants trying to compete in the market, including firewall vendors attempting to pivot, Zscaler's brand has only gotten stronger. Jay stated they've hardly seen these new competitors in deals, and their win rates remain strong. The company's strategic relationships with CIOs are deepening, with executives bringing Zscaler along as they move between companies. Coming in at number 5, let's talk about the overall financial performance. Zscaler operated at a rule of 78 in Q1, combining 26% revenue growth with a 52% free cash flow margin. They exceeded $3.2 billion in ARR with 26% year-over-year growth, and their remaining performance obligations grew 35% to $5.9 billion. This makes Zscaler one of only 5 enterprise SaaS companies with over $3 billion in ARR growing at more than 25%. At number 4, the Red Canary acquisition is performing better than expected. The integration is progressing well, with Red Canary's agentic AI technology being combined with Zscaler's data fabric to deliver powerful security operations capabilities. The solution is finding threats that even sophisticated security teams miss. A Fortune 100 CEO told Jay that the solution discovers several threats every month that their large internal team wasn't able to detect. Number 3 brings us to Zero Trust Cloud, a newer offering that's generating massive customer excitement. This solution allows customers to eliminate VPNs and north-south and east-west firewalls for workload communication. It integrates seamlessly with customers' cloud environments, and deployment that used to take hours now takes under 10 minutes with the new cloud gateway. This is a major differentiator as customers move away from traditional virtual firewall approaches. The number 2 spot goes to Zero Trust Everywhere, where Zscaler absolutely demolished their own targets. They originally set a goal to reach 390 Zero Trust Everywhere enterprises by the end of fiscal 2026. They've already surpassed 450 customers, achieving the goal 3 quarters ahead of schedule. These customers benefit from reduced costs and complexity by eliminating legacy network and security products, and it creates natural expansion opportunities into data security and AI security. And finally, the number 1 takeaway is the explosive growth in AI security. This pillar grew over 80% year over year and has already exceeded the full-year fiscal 2026 target of $400 million in ARR 3 quarters early. Management now expects AI security ARR to surpass $500 million by year-end. Zscaler is securing over 90 billion AI and machine learning transactions per month across their portfolio, which includes Gen AI security, AI asset discovery, AI red teaming, and AI guardrails. The SBLX acquisition accelerated their capabilities in AI security, giving them a comprehensive platform at exactly the right time as enterprises rush to deploy AI applications. That wraps up the top 10 takeaways from Zscaler's incredible Q1 earnings. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more earnings analysis. Drop a comment below telling me which takeaway surprised you most. Until next time, stay secure out there.